In this installment, we're going to be adding a master detail form to our React application using React Turbo Scaffolding. So if you followed our previous demos, we created a React application in part 1 and added a component or view using React Turbo Scaffolding. So today we're going to enhance that application and add a master detail form. I want to talk about our database. So we have a simple movies database which has just a handful of tables. We have an actor table, a movie actor table, tagline, and a genre table. And so today we're going to be adding our movie actor table, which represents a many-to-many relationship. It tells us which actors are in which movies, and also which movies have which actors. So there's a many-to-many relationship between the actor and movie tables. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is right click and select add, then new item, and we're going to select the React TS item template, which comes out of our React Turbo Scaffolding engine, and we get a pop-up with our database connection string from a prior usage. This is a SQL Server database, but it could have been a MySQL database. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the movie actor table here, and then we're going to go into the settings. We're going to check create master detail form, and I'm going to click the little button that opens the master detail configuration page. So once again, we're going to select movie actor at the top. There is the driving table, and then we're going to select one table to be the master table and the other table to be the detail table. Now this is completely arbitrary. Either the actor or the movie tables can be one or the other, and the only difference it's going to make is the perspectives. So we'll select movie as the master table, and we'll select actor as the detail table, which means that we're going to have a movies will be driving the page, and for every movie then we're going to see all of the actors in that movie. If we had flipped these two, then we would have an actor is driving the page. So for any given actor, then you would see all the movies that actor is in. Down below here we need a label field. So for the label we're going to select the title of the movie, and then the foreign key would be the movie ID. And over on this side here for the label we're going to select the name of the actor, and then for the foreign key would be the actor ID. So we click save and then finish. If we had more, we could actually configure multiple master detail forms if we had a large database and we're going to generate the entire thing in one go. So we click let's go, and then we get a summary of what was added to our project. So views were added, routes and navigation were modified, the controller was added, we have a client model was modified, and the entity framework model was modified. We have some backup files or files that were modified just in case we have a problem and need to revert to something. So we should be good. So let's take a look at our dependencies. Sometimes we have to restore packages. If a new package was added, we're good. Okay, we'll run the project. So we'll select debug, start without debugging. And we have our movie actor page down below. We have an autocomplete box, so if we type something, we'll just type a few letters of a movie, Star Wars, then we see all of the actors in that movie. We'll do another one. Here's Mr. Holland's Opus, and we have the same kind of full functionality we had before. We have sorting and paging. Well, we only have one page. We can change the number of rows, filter, etc., and full CRUD support. So there we have it, React Turbo Scaffolding.